So my name is Antoine. I'm pleased to be with you. I joined the hospitality companies like 9 years ago, and my brain is still like that when we talked about hospitality today. We got disrupted, as you know, by distribution, with Amazon, with Booking, with Expedia. We got disrupted on the experience itself. More than 5 years ago with some players were, I think, around here, like with Airbnb and things, and it's, I mean, a really tricky business to think about what can be the future of hospitality today and in the future. So we have an answer here. I will share with you. I don't have 4 trillion euro for you here. I have few millions euro. But because what I can share with you is today is that the fact that hospitality, if you do not link the experience itself, because hospitality is about to sleep, it's about to eat, it's about to live, it's about to work, it's about to play, but in a physical world. But if you don't link it today with the digital universe, with the digital players on the different journey, of course, it will be a point, and that's the major point that I would like to share with you today. Of course, we live in a crazy world. Imagine 4 billions of international travel around the world, having their lifestyle, their way of life. They come to go to a restaurant for a Tinder rendezvous. They go to some restaurants simply to do meetings like that, or to simply be in a family. They all have their lifestyle, and we need to adapt ourselves. So as a core, just rapidly, you can see that we grow in 6 years, having moving from a lot of employees, moving from 13 to 38 brands, and of course we make a lot of money around that. And as you may know, it's a company that is around 50 years now, and we are really born in the economy and mid-scale universe, making, I would say, some hotel functional available for everybody with Ibis, Novotel, Mercure around the globe. What we changed 3 years ago is we decided to move simply to answer all the needs, and having 38 brands and really focus on the luxury space where we are not, and all what we call the new lifestyle universe to answer the new needs today of our consumers. So imagine a major shift for a company who is born in the economic and mid-scale universe, able to integrate this kind of experiences as part of a portfolio, be able to change their way of thinking to integrate all these new aspects of the scope. Again, able to integrate 4 billion of travelers coming from China, coming from India, coming from US, all over the world, to be able and to live at scale. And at the same time, we created what we call the augmented hospitality. Augmented hospitality is to think that even if you keep the hospitality in the middle of what you do with all the experiences, you are able to integrate new needs of consumer all around the space. So beyond hotel, you can integrate co-working. We have a brand called Wojo next door. You can be able to integrate restaurants, bar, nightclubs. That's the case with a group like Paris Society of SBE Group in the US. We integrate all the big and trendy nightlife things that you can have in LA, in San Francisco, in Las Vegas, or even in New York. So you integrate different universe, and of course you link it with top-tier partners with a simple fact. Today, it's a question for you. You're not the target of that, but let's say an English guy, mainstream, can go to the hotel how much time per year? Who can say 1? Raise your hand. Nobody? 2? 3? Number of nights, yeah. Booking. Someone raised 2. Someone here. And he's right. So, how can you know someone if you can touch him and talk to him twice a year? And that's the major issue of the hotel industry. Yeah, for sure, we can touch frequent traveler like you or business traveler like you. But if you want to go deeper on the knowledge, on the data knowledge, to know more of the consumer, you need at one point to touch them more than twice a year, as you have for an English regular consumer. And all the idea around this augmented hospitality is to be able to keep what we call the core of our business in the middle of everything we do, and be able to integrate new areas around it and be able, again, to know more about our consumer and to attract more consumer into a single space. So when I say that, of course, you need to know why, but I'm sure in this space you know why. The age of change is now, and the fact that you need to be scalable and global, it's something key. And that's why we decided to move on a space and have more and more brands all around the world. I can take Fairmont, who is leading part of the hospitality industry in North America, or having Banyan Tree, like big resorts. So you need to have at scale a big network and be able to showcase different experiences. We have all our traditional competitors. Pleased to be here on a Marriott Bonvoy hotel, but you can imagine the number of brands. We never had so much brand on our hospitality industry, simply because each brand needs to have one purpose, one promise, and to deliver the right experience for our consumer. We cannot have anymore like hotel brands only on signage and having different experiences inside of each hotel. We need to be consistent. That's why our friends from Marriott, our friends from Hyatt, our friends from Hilton, we are creating a lot of brands right now just to deliver one experience per brand and make sure that we are right. I mean, the hotel industry is born on what we call the signage marketing, right signage on a location, and you deliver the experience inside. Too functional for consumer, and thank you for Airbnb and others to wake up all the hotel industry 5 years ago. We move now, and I mean, it's a great area because we are creating a lot of new brands, meaning a lot of experience for everybody. Online travel agent is also something that disrupted 10 years ago, and wake up and make all the hotel industry realize that we need to invest on the digital, that we need to invest on technology and make sure that we can keep our own data and not just be disrupted by them. And today we need to work with them for acquisition. And that's why what we're going to show you is to move a bit ahead and think about how we can do something on the retentions, because on acquisition part, the online travel agents are very strong right now, and we need to focus on some key consumers and to know more of them, to be able to not fight, but to play at the same level as the travel agent. The sharing economy, of course, I talked about it. All the Airbnb, Hotel Tonight, and all the other one showcase that people want something a bit different, and that's why we are moving and creating a lot of physical and new brand. And of course, our consumer, not going to tell you that our life is in our pocket right now, but if my life is only to spend 2 nights with you every year, I don't have you in my pocket. So we need to make sure that people can have some app on the hotel industry as part of their pocket. That's why our belief around the augmented hospitality is something key for the future, and that we need to connect. And of course, the lifestyle and experiences that we need to link. So I have some people have quote from very famous guy. My very famous guy is Sébastien Bazin, my CEO. You can take picture here and showcase that I'm showing that. But he always says that a brand portfolio is exactly the same thing as a group of friends. Each of your friends brings something different to the table. It's a set of brands that provide solutions for each of your emotions. And the idea is really to have physical brand focusing on emotions. So that's why we will increase the number of brands, because you have 2 different expectations and even growing expectations. So we created what we call a new ecosystem. We talked about it. Because at one point, all what I told you right now is only something really corporate, I would say, with brands working as a silo and not working together to deliver something to the consumer. So one, we start by cleaning Accor, because 50 years of Accor, we were named Accor Hotel before, and we did not represent correctly the portfolio. We are not anymore only hotels, we are doing more things, so we make hotel disappears, and we premiumize, of course, the Accor universe, simply because to reflect who we are today. And we decided to launch a new brand. We call it a lifestyle platform. You can call it a loyalty program, named ALL, which is an acronym meaning Accor Live Limitless, simply because we truly believe, and our study proves that a corporate brand needs something more for consumer to mean something for them. And all means a lot of things. But just before to go through all more, let me show you a bit what we have done around this global universe.
Bienvenue à all.
Welcome to all.
Bem-vindo ao
Live limitless.
All for one,
All for one,
All for You.
all for you.
all for you.
All or all?
All. So this is the new Accor universe you can see in Paris today, but the most important thing is to make your strategy alive for your consumer and showcasing what it means. So in the coming month, by the end of the month, we will regroup our 500 million of reservation we got on our distribution platform and our 50 million of members we got on our loyalty program into a single platform named All, with, of course, all in one, all for you. I mean, all you need is love. I mean, you can make a lot of things around that. We love this name. We were just surprised that nobody trademarked it before. So happy to be the first one on that. That's the magic of marketing, to be able to that. And the idea is very simple. Let's take this hotel. You will win points on Bonvoy, for example, on e-tunnels and things if you stay. You have your stay and you get points if you spend a night with us, mainly all around the globe. With All, you will be rewarded for all what you're going to do as part of the Accor universe. So if you stay on a co-working, if you do to a bar, a nightlife, a restaurant, outside, of course, our hotel, but as part of our universe, and of course in all the hotel industry, and we regroup that into a single platform. And the idea, of course, is to go deeper. So imagine all the technology you are developing, all the tools that you can propose. We will be around all this promise that we need to deliver. I will come back on that, but a few videos before.
Imagine a lifestyle loyalty program on a single platform where you can live, work, and play seamlessly personalized to you. You, your style, your way. Discover a world of experiences and extraordinary partnerships, and be rewarded for all that you do. Every day, on the move, all in one place. Welcome to All. Accor Live Limitless. All for one. All for you.
So end of this year is very soon now. So it will make the link, of course, with all our tools. But the most important one for me is if you look of course, on the funnels. I'm sure all your clients show you that, and some attendees as the same. You are around the acquire, the experience, and the retain on everything we do. So all the idea of having a tool around the acquisition, for us, it's more important to have the right experience and to deliver the right physical experience as a first step via our brands, to make sure that we can embody them as part of All Accor Live Limitless that will recreate after acquisition, experience, and retain as a circle way of life. But for us, it's something really different of what all the hospitality said, and others are saying the same, is the retention part in something we can play with more easily because we own the experience at one point. We need a lot of digital tool, of course, to be able to deliver this promise, because we need to be simple, we need to be around the immediacy of gratification and instant point. We need to be around the personalization, of course, with so much brand and so much experience. We need able to tailor all the services and tailor the digital experience that they will have. And of course, what we call the beyond the stay is very key. The deals that we are making with the Paris Saint-Germain, with Roland Garros, we own an arena in Paris called the Accor Arena, but all the deal we can make, all the arena around the world, is really around the retention idea, is to showcase that, of course, you can spend night, you can live, work, play, but you can have great gratification, and we can thank you with money can buy experiences all around this universe. And that's really the main idea. So imagine the number of tools we need to develop that. It's the marketing visions. All the digital team, of course, is working to make it happen, and it will start by the end of the year. But for me, it's the correct link between a marketing vision and something that needs to happen in a real life. I know you link today the physical experiences, and I have a lot of debate with retailers today is how do they make the physical experiences in retail interesting and link it with the digital, because they are fully disrupted today by Amazon and things, and they are really reshaping and rethinking their retail universe. So of course, it needs to deliver a new business impact for us. Brands of reality are really the focus that we will have. If you meet other Accor guys around the world, that's really our main focus. And the third point that I did not develop here, but I'd be happy to share with you is how can we be focused on passion? That is the most important thing for our consumer. Each of our brands, we have one passion that we need to deliver. Imagine the difficulty for a marketer to lead 50 brands and to be able to explain each of these brands as easily as I can do on stage. I imagine the sales guys who need to explain the brand. Imagine on a tool explaining 38 hotel brands. It's a main challenge, and by a big focus on passion, that's really key. And really people get it. That's what we believe. We don't talk anymore about purpose. We don't talk anymore about segmentation and things. We're talking about passion. And it really saves our life for the years coming. That's the end for me. I would like to thank you and enjoy your time here. I'd be pleased to debate with all of you in the maybe for a beer later on and things. But thank you. Thank you so much.